This lab brings PX4's telemetry into ROS2. SITL starts first, and ROS is sourced in each terminal. The DDS agent is cloned at a version matching PX4. One line needs patching since it points at a branch that was deleted upstream. A memory dependency installs, then a build directory and an environment variable pointing at it. The build runs with the system's CMake rather than a pip installed one, which matters here. Compiling takes a while, so this is the longest step in the setup. The finished agent is copied onto the path. Then PX4's message definitions, cloned on the branch matching the firmware. Without matching types, ROS can't decode anything the agent forwards. The agent starts on UDP. Topic list confirms PX4's topics are now visible. Echoing vehicle status shows arming state and flight mode updating live. And the position topic runs at roughly 100 Hertz. The node uses best effort quality of service, or callback silently never fire. An entry point registers it, then the package rebuilds and the workspace is sourced. The node runs. Commanding takeoff from PX4's console, the drone climbs in gazebo while the node logs position and status. Scrolling back, arming state goes from 1 to 2, and the flight mode shifts from hold to takeoff. The converted altitude climbs positive as it rises.